Right now, over 200 hikers are still stranded on Mount Everest. Last Friday, a massive blizzard hit the Tibetan slopes during China's Golden Week holiday, catching mountain guides completely off guard. Heavy snow and rain trapped more than 650 campers on the eastern face of the mountain.
It was so wet and cold in the mountains, and hypothermia was a real risk,
said survivor Chen Geishuang. He told Reuters the weather was unlike anything he'd seen in October, and it happened incredibly fast. The timing couldn't have been worse. October is usually one of the best months to visit Everest because of clear skies, and the eastern route at 16,000 feet is popular with tourists due to easy road access. Rescue teams from Tibet's fire department immediately mobilized when the storm hit. The BBC reported rescuers literally carrying helpless hikers on their backs through snow so thick that routes became unrecognizable.
Eric Wen, another survivor, said his group hardly slept because they had to clear snow from their shelter every 10 minutes.
The good news? 350 hikers have already been rescued and are in good condition with proper housing. But this is a stark reminder. Even experienced adventurers can be caught off guard by Mother Nature. If you're planning any mountain adventures, always check weather conditions and have emergency plans ready.